In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username Bluehost. We're going to walk through updating the name that appears on your Bluehost account profile, which is what most users think of as their username. This change updates your profile name across your account, billing, and support interactions. It doesn't replace your actual login credentials or server usernames, so keep that in mind as we go. Start by heading to the My Account page and signing in. Use the primary account credentials you normally use for Bluehost. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step so you land on your dashboard. Once you're in, look to the upper right corner for your profile icon or avatar. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Profile. This takes you to your account center where your profile information is stored. On the profile page, find the Edit button. Click Edit to unlock your profile details so you can make changes. Bluehost may present a short notice or the terms prompt before allowing edits. When you see that, check the confirmation box to acknowledge you understand the change you're about to make. This is simply a safeguard to ensure you're intentionally updating your account information. After checking the box, click Agree to continue. Your profile fields will now be editable. Go to the first name field and enter the new first name you want associated with your account. Keep it clear and professional, since this name may appear on invoices and in support communications. Avoid special symbols unless you know your organization requires them. Next, update the last name field to match how you want your account to be identified. Double check spelling here. Small typos can carry over into billing records and emails. When you're happy with your updates, click Save. Give it a moment to process. You should see a confirmation message indicating the changes were saved. If you don't, refresh the page and verify the fields reflect your new name. In some cases, logging out and back in helps the dashboard display the latest info. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you're a secondary user on an account, you might not have permission to edit profile details. The account owner would need to do this. Also, while this updates your Bluehost profile name, it does not change any website admin usernames or hosting level users. Finally, make sure your profile name aligns with your billing records to avoid confusion on invoices. That's it. You've successfully updated the name on your Bluehost profile. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, you're all set to manage the rest of your account with confidence.